This is Redfeather from Grepax. In this Kdenlive video, we will be showing you how to make a quick and easy logo using the effect Lens Correction. Using the Kdenlive Lens Correction for this purpose and for you to get a similar to exact look that I have developed here, all settings and coordinates must be the same as what I show you. Anything different and you will have a different look. So to produce this or another look, we first start with a Kdenlive title clip. So add a title clip, type what you want to say. I would suggest using the same amount of letters I have used, as this setup is sensitive. Once you have your title clip wording set up, place your plus X coordinates to 235, then your plus Y coordinates to 347. Place your text size to 305. Once you are happy with your title clip and all the coordinates are set, click OK. Then drag your title clip, placing it on the timeline, adjusting lengths for runtime. Notice I have already added the lens correct to my title clip. In order to do this, click on your Kdenlive effects list, scroll down to Distort, click. Then scroll down to Lens Correction. With your mouse, drag it, placing it into the title clip on the timeline. Once you have done this, in the Properties window of Kdenlive, set your horizontal center to 500, the vertical center to 1000, center correction to 747. And your edge correction to 8. Now if you follow these procedures to the T, you should be seeing the same Kdenlive lens correction logo, but with your wording. Keep in mind, there are 8 letters in Grepax. There are other things that the Kdenlive lens correction can be used for or to create with, but it is up to you to experiment with your artistic values. The rest of this video is my rendered project. I hope you have enjoyed this Kdenlive video and found it helpful in some fashion. And if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber? And ring that bell in order to be notified your way of newly released videos. I mean, after all, it is free. The intro and extra of this video has been provided by none other than Alex of AU1 from his YouTube channel. Thank you in advance. I am out.